What's up guys, Lucas here from Sports Advantage. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the dynamic effort box squat. So in the past I've talked on the regular squat and I've talked on the regular box squat and how to do it, how to utilize it, and when to use it. Today I'm going to be showing you, like I said, the dynamic effort box squat, and you'll see that I have a box here. The box is a good tool to use for in-season athletes because it keeps recovery time short, and you can still get the benefits of a squat that you're looking for without that lengthy recovery period and that extended soreness that you sometimes seem to get when athletes' time in the gym seems to dwindle down as the season goes on. So again, like you'll see, we have weight on the bar and bands on the bar. Those are based off of a certain percentage of my 1RM to achieve and elicit a certain goal that I'm looking for today. You can use percentages from 35% all the way up to 60% with bar weight, and accommodated resistance can be 15, 20, 25%. And they can vary from person to person, athlete to athlete, based on their needs and what we're trying to go for in their goal of training that day. So like I said, we have our weight on the bar and bands on there. So I'll just show you a quick set of what it's supposed to look like when we're going through. So today I'm doing 6x4. The reason I'm doing 6x4 is just because my training split and the way I'm doing it. And we can change those around based on the athlete and what we're looking for. So the reason we use the band is because it causes overspeed eccentrics. It forces you quick on the way down, and then it's a quicker contraction on the way up. So we can use the bands on any type of movement, really. Power cleans, squats, deadlifts, bench press, kettlebell swings. The list goes on and on. So when I did that box squat, if you go back to our box squat video, big cues that I did there was making sure that I spread the floor, I kept my core tight, I kept my glutes activated, and on the way back up, I made sure I pushed my back into the bar. Another cool thing about the dynamic effort method and the methods that we use here is that we can always switch the bars around. Not only does it cause a different strain on the body and a different stimulus on the body, but it keeps training interesting, and you can set goals with every different bar. So instead of having a 1RM and a bench press, a 1RM and a squat, a 1RM and a deadlift, you can have a 1RM bench press with bands. You can have 1RM bench press with a bow bar. You can have a 1RM bench press with a fat bar. Same thing with squat. You can have a 1RM squat onto a box with a bow bar and bands. You can have a 1RM squat with a bow bar and chains. The list goes on and on. So it keeps training really interesting, and it keeps the athletes engaged. So not only do they enjoy coming to the gym and getting after it, but it's fun for us to do it too. So dynamic effort method, we're just trying to get a lot of volume in a short amount of time. If you guys have any questions on how we implement it, please shoot us a message and we'll be happy to help you out.